Hey, what's up, man? Wanted to show you my latest pen. That's pretty sick. This is basically it's oak with a tung oil finish and about 5 coats of some CA glue and some polish, and it is antique gunmetal. Let me show you this bad boy. Look at this. The hardware is awesome. The way it matches is awesome. See that? It's the grain goes from here. Come on, focus. Up through here, and then it's got just such a pretty color, pinks, and I wasn't sure about that antique gunmetal, but it definitely looks good. It's got this. See if I can get it to focus. Get off of there. Get off of there. It's got this really cool. Come on. Really cool. It's almost like a tiger design. Really digging it. Anyway, thought I'd send it to you. Enjoy.